Hello everyone, Professor Grabenhorst here. I wanted to show you how to use each of this course's components in order to be successful in this course. As soon as you log in to Blackboard and then click on our course, you'll come to this page, which is your course dashboard. You'll see College Composition 1, just like this on the banner, and everything that you need for our course is in this left-hand column over here. Now be aware that sometimes if you're accessing Blackboard from your cell phone and not using the app, this can hide and you won't be able to find it. So you might need to click a little arrow that is sticking out to reveal all the links that you need in order to access our course information. Now the first thing that you'll do is you will select course modules. This is our course theme, and I have a video listed here where I've gone over the materials and the outcomes and the general theme of our course. Our course is separated into 3 separate modules. The first lasts for the first third of our course, the second for the second third, and the third, you guessed it, for the third and final portion of our course. I'm going to click Module 1 to show you what you'll be working with in the beginning and the types of assignments that you should be keeping track of. The way the course is laid out is that it's in order of the assignments that you should be completing up until you submit the final paper for that section. Each of our course modules has a series of assignments that lead up to submission of the final draft of that paper. The types of assignments that we have are blog post, which you'll notice by the symbol here of the thought bubbles. If you click on this, or if you click on our discussion board, it will lead you to all the posts that you need to complete and the post's due dates. There are 10 posts in our class, and they do count towards your grade, your discussion post grade for the course. Let's go back to course modules. Module number 1. You'll find information that you need on MLA formatting in this file. The outline that you'll use for each of your papers is available at the beginning of each course module, because at the beginning of each course module, you'll begin outlining your paper. Whenever you see a video that says hello from Professor Grabenhorst, that means I will be speaking to you and taking the time to explain to you different portions of our course or assignments and information that you need to be successful. So be sure to watch these videos and make sure you take the time to really understand each assignment so that you're successful. We have our course rubric that will be listed at the beginning of each course module as well, and my explanation of that rubric. This is what is used to grade your papers, and so we use it pretty frequently. For each of your major papers, you will use it in peer review. You'll see this is another discussion post on Nicholas Carr's Is Google Making Us Stupid? And whenever you see an item like this, it will indicate a document that is for your viewing pleasure. If you click on the link here, it will lead you to prompt number 1. Each course module will have a prompt that you're working towards in writing the final draft of the paper that's submitted at the end of that course. We have another blog post here. Here we have a YouTube video that is linked directly to a blog post that you're to complete after viewing it. We have our outline of writing assignment number 1. When you see this symbol, it's very similar to a document symbol that's just for your viewing, but this symbol that is purely white means that an assignment is due. And here, there'll be instructions for you to turn in that assignment. So this says outline writing assignment. Number 1, using the outline for this course, and submit it here when you are finished. Anytime you see a white paper symbol like this one, you're required to click the link of that document to attach your submission of that document and click submit. Whenever you come across a document, an assignment like this, it's simply a quiz for you to assess yourself and the information that you should have learned up until this point. Quizzes are open note, so you're allowed to look through your notes, look through the course material to answer those questions, and submit your quiz when you're finished. This is purely so that you are staying up to date with the information that you need to acquire, and it counts towards your course participation. Again, we have our blog posts. We have another assignment here. You're writing assignment number 1, rough draft. Peer review is another major assignment that you'll have for each time that your rough draft is due. And instructions for peer review are listed here. After peer review, you have some time on the schedule to make the changes that you need to make according to my feedback and your 2 peers' feedback who reviewed your paper for peer review. You take the time to make those necessary changes, and you submit your final draft of your writing assignment here. And then the following week, we will be on to our next course module. We just went over module number 1. Next would be module number 2, and then module number 3. If you have any questions about the different assignments for this course or accessing any of this course material, please send me an email at grabinhk@palmbeachstate.edu.